Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can wish the birthday on your Facebook timeline. First of all, open your Facebook. Make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Facebook, and you can simply tap on the profile of any person you want to wish the birthday to. So after you tap on the very profile of the person, just scroll a little bit down and tap on those three very vertical lines right here. So if the person's account is not, so you can see right here, write something to Meena. So if I say here, happy birthday, and just tap on the post option, then it will be already posted on the timeline of the very person that you want to post. But sometimes the person might have hidden this very feature from the Facebook. You cannot do that if they have hide it, but if it is visible, then you can simply write on the timeline just like this. It will show here after the friends option, and you can simply type something and then post it. That's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.